Buying a dream home in your 20s might not always be the best financial decision to make due to several reasons. 1. Financial instability. In your 20s, you might not have stable income or job security. Committing to a large mortgage for your dream home can be financially burdensome if your income isn't steady or expected to increase significantly in the near future. 2. Limited flexibility. Your 20s are often a time of change. You might be exploring career opportunities, considering further education, or even contemplating moving to a different city or country. Owning a home can tie you down and limit your flexibility to embrace these changes. 3. High debt burden. Taking on a substantial mortgage at a young age can result in significant debt. This might restrict your ability to invest in other opportunities, such as starting a business or furthering your education. 4. Maintenance costs. Home ownership comes with various expenses beyond the mortgage. These may include property taxes, maintenance, repairs, and insurance. These costs can be unexpected and can strain your finances, especially if you're unprepared for them. 5. Missing investment opportunities. Instead of sinking money into a property at an early age, you could consider investing in more liquid and diversified assets like stocks, bonds, or starting a business. These investments might yield higher returns in the long term compared to real estate, especially considering the opportunity cost of tying up a significant portion of your savings in a property. 6. Market volatility. Real estate markets can fluctuate. Buying a dream home in your 20s might expose you to the risk of property value depreciation if the market changes unfavorably. This situation could leave you financially underwater. Ultimately, the decision to buy a home in your 20s should be based on careful consideration of your financial situation, long-term goals, and personal circumstances. It's essential to weigh the pros and cons before making such a significant financial commitment. Thanks for watching. Please like, share or comment on this video and subscribe to this channel about personal finance and investing.